How to add photos widgets on iPhone home screen iOS 18. Now with the latest version of iOS, you can now go ahead and add photo widgets on your iPhone home screen. Now it's really easy to do. Basically, you want to head over to your iPhone home screen right here. And once inside, you can then hold click on a empty space. Right after, you can then go ahead and see your icons shake up. From here, you want to click on the edit button. Click on Add Widgets, and inside, you then want to search for photo. Choose the photo option, and from here, we can then go ahead and choose our photo widget style. Right after choosing your style, click on Add Widgets, and in here, we can then go ahead and add our own photo. Now, due to privacy concerns, I will not be showing you my albums right here, but all you have to do is to go ahead and click on choose, and you will be able to choose your album or photo on the widget itself. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.